Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to embed a video on a Google Classroom. So first thing we have to do is open the Google Classroom, and after that, after we arrived on the first page, we need to find out which classes that you want to embed the videos to. So for example, I want to embed the video into the class B. Just open the class B, and after that, please go into the classroom on this downside features here, and after you or click the classwork, you just need to add new classwork. You can do or add the video as an assignment, question or material. If your video is about explaining the material, you just need to go into the material. Now you can just type the title of the material, let's say math 3, and after that you can also do a description. And now to embed the video, you just need to click this add attachment, and from this attachment you can choose from what device or what applications that you want to insert or add the videos to. So you can choose from the Google Drive if you save the video in a drive, but if you save it on your device, you can just choose photo, and then you will be generated into your gallery or photos or device that you save the videos to. And then you just need to choose the video that you want to embed into this class, and after you finish for everything, just recheck it again, and after everything is correct and done, just go with post. Voila, and now you already have a material with the video embed into this in a Google Classroom. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. If you feel that this video is got you so well for using a Google Classroom, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.